Welcome to this comprehensive comparison every SAP consultant must know in 2026. Today we are diving deep into SAP S4HANA versus ECC, the differences that are reshaping careers and businesses. Whether you are an experienced ECC consultant, a functional lead, or someone planning your next career move, this video will give you crystal clear insights. We'll explore architecture, database, user experience, core processes, real business benefits, migration challenges, and what the future holds. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why thousands of organizations are moving to S4HANA and what it means for you as a consultant in 2026. Stay till the end of key takeaways that can give you a massive advantage in projects and interviews. Let's begin this exciting journey from legacy to intelligent ERP. So in this presentation, we will cover 8 crucial areas that are visible in your screen as well. First, we will understand the legacy of SAP ECC. Then we will explore the rise of S4HANA. We will do deep dives into architecture comparison, the database revolution, and the massive leap in user experience. After that, we will examine core process differences in finance, supply chain, and other modules. We will look at the real business benefits organizations are seeing in 2026 and the migration challenges consultants face, and finally the roadmap ahead till 2030. This structured journey will equip you with practical knowledge you can use immediately in client discussions and in different project plannings. So this is the basic agenda that we are going to have in this video. So let's move to the next step. That is SAP ECC, the legacy giant. SAP ECC has been the backbone of enterprises for decades. Launched in 1990s, it is a robust, stable system trusted by thousands of organizations worldwide. It runs on traditional databases and follows a classic layered architecture. ECC excels in handling complex customizations and has a massive ecosystem of modules: finance, materials management, sales and distribution, production planning, you name it. However, in 2026, ECC is showing its age. Batch processing, slow reporting, complex data models, and limited real-time capabilities are becoming serious limitations. While still running many businesses today, its maintenance cost is rising and innovation is slowing down. SAP has clearly signaled the end of mainstream support for ECC in the coming years. So now we will look at SAP S4HANA, the intelligent future. Enter as SAP S4HANA, the next generation intelligent ERP, built from the ground up on SAP HANA in-memory databases. S4HANA is designed for the digital age. In 2026, S4HANA is no longer optional. It is the standard for companies that want to stay competitive. It brings real-time analytics, simplified data models, embedded AI, and a completely new user experience through Fiori. S4HANA is not just an upgrade, it's a reimagination of how ERP should work: faster, smarter, and ready for AI, machine learning, and Industry 4.0. Companies running S4HANA are seeing dramatic improvements in decision-making speed and operational efficiencies. So now we will have a comparison of architecture between ECC and S4HANA. Let's compare it. ECC uses a traditional multi-layer setup with many separate systems and interfaces. This results in data redundancy and slower performance. S/4HANA, on the other hand, features a simplified single stack architecture. The core is the HANA database, which eliminates the need for many aggregate tables. This means fewer tables, less redundancy, and much faster processing. The architectural shift from ECC to S/4HANA reduces complexity significantly, making systems easier to maintain and faster to innovate on. This is one of the most important technical differences every consultant must understand. I will repeat, the difference is the traditional multi-layer setup versus a simplified single stack structure architecture. So now the biggest game changer is the database. ECC typically runs on any database: Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, using disk story based storage. This leads to slow queries and batch jobs running at night. S/4HANA runs exclusively on SAP HANA, a columnar in-memory database. This allows real-time processing of massive data volumes. Aggregations, reporting, and complex calculations happen instantly. In 2026, this real-time capability is transforming how businesses operate. From finance, closing to supply chain decisions, the database revolution is at the heart of why S/4HANA outperforms ECC dramatically. User experience has seen the most visible change. ECC classic SAP GUI feels outdated, clunky screens, limited mobile support, and poor usability. S/4HANA introduces SAP Fiori, a modern, role-based, responsive user interface. It's beautiful, intuitive, and works seamlessly across desktop, tablet, and mobile. Employees love Fiori because it feels like using a consumer app rather than an enterprise system. Higher user adoption, reduced training time, and increased productivity are direct results of this shift. So there is a clear evolution of user interface between SAP ECC and SAP S/4HANA. So now we will be discussing the key process differences between S/4HANA and ECC. Process wise, S/4HANA brings massive simplification. Real time instead of batch processing, simplified data models, and embedded analytics in every module. Finance has the universal journal, procurement has intelligent sourcing, supply chain features advanced ATP and real-time inventory. Manufacturing benefits from embedded planning and execution. These changes don't just improve speed, they fundamentally change how processes are designed and executed in modern enterprises. So this is the basic difference in the core processes for SAP S/4HANA versus ECC, real time versus batch, and data model and analytics. So now we will be discussing each module separately. First we will be looking at finance and controlling. The transformation from ECC to S/4HANA is revolutionary. In ECC, financial data was scattered across multiple tables, leading to complex reconciliations and slow closing cycles. S4HANA introduces the powerful Universal General, the ACDOCA table, which combines financial accounting, management accounting, asset accounting, and material ledger into one single source of truth. This eliminates data redundancy and reconciliation efforts. In 2026, finance teams are benefiting from real-time profitability analysis, predictive accounting, and instant cash flow forecasting. Controllers can run what-if simulations on live data. Margin analysis is now available at granular levels without waiting for bad jobs. Additionally, embedded analytics allow finance users to create stunning reports directly in Fiori without depending on IT or BW teams. In supply chain, where S4HANA truly shines in 2026, ECC relied on batch processing and limited visibility, making it difficult to respond to market changes quickly. S4HANA brings real-time available to promise ATP, predictive material requirements planning MRP, and intelligent inventory management. The system can check availability across multiple plants and warehouses instantly. Digital twins of supply networks, embedded EWM, and advanced transportation management give end-to-end visibility. Companies are now able to predict disruptions, optimize routes in real time, and maintain lower inventory levels while improving service levels. In today's volatile global environment with frequent supply shocks, these capabilities are giving S4HANA customers a massive competitive edge. Logistics and planning teams finally have the intelligent tools they always needed. By 2026, organizations that have successfully implemented S4HANA are reaping impressive benefits. They are experiencing 40 to 60% faster reporting, dramatically simplified IT landscapes, and significantly improved decision-making speed through real-time insights. Other major advantages include lower long-term total cost of ownership, higher user adoption due to intuitive Fiori interface, and better compliance with embedded controls and audit trials. Companies are also leveraging embedded AI for intelligent automation, from invoice matching to demand forecasting. This is helping them build truly intelligent enterprises. Most importantly, S4HANA positions organizations for future innovations in sustainability reporting, Industry 4.0 integration, and advanced analytics, capabilities that are becoming table stakes in the market. So now we will be discussing the migration challenges. While the benefits are compelling, the migration journey comes with real challenges that every consultant must know. Data migration is often the biggest hurdle. Cleansing decades of legacy data and mapping it to the simplified S4HANA data model requires careful planning. Custom day code remediation is another major effort, as many old enhancements and modifications need to be redesigned for the clean core philosophy. Change management is critical because users must adapt to new processes and the Fiori interface. Skill gaps within both the project team and the customer's internal team can cause delays. Budget overruns and timeline extensions are common if the right strategy isn't chosen, whether brownfield, greenfield, or selective data transition. Successful consultants focus heavily on strong methodology, proactive risk management, and business process re-engineering alongside technical migration. Looking ahead from 2026 to 2030 and beyond, S4HANA will continue evolving rapidly. We will see deeper integration of generative AI, machine learning for autonomous processes, and advanced sustainability features for ESG reporting. Cloud deployments, particularly Rise with SAP and Grow with SAP, are becoming the preferred choice for many organizations due to faster innovation cycles and predictable costs. Industry specific solutions will become more mature, offering pre configured best practices for sectors like retail, manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and oil and gas. By 2030, analysts predict that the majority of large enterprises will be running on S4HANA or its future cloud successors. Consultants who master S4HANA clean core principles, extensibility using BTP, and intelligent technologies will be in extremely high demand. So, to conclude, ECC served us very well, but S4HANA is the present and the future. The key differences in architecture, database, UX, and processes are too significant to ignore. Every consultant must upskill in S4HANA to stay relevant in 2026 and beyond. Start learning, get certified, and participate in transformation projects. This will be helpful in the coming years in any transformation that is coming up in multiple and almost all companies in future. So, thank you for watching this video. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which module are you most excited about in S4HANA? Let me know below. See you in the next video. Again, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye, take care.